Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 academic word of the day, inclined, for week 5, quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Inclined has 2 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, clind, and make sure you enunciate that last and final D sound. So we say inclined, inclined. It is used as an adjective, and we have 2 definitions here for you to learn. The first one is tending to do something, likely to do something. If you don't know the word tending, it means likely, and where you're it's your preference, or it's likely to happen that way. Let's take a look at your academic word sentence. Students are inclined to use a dictionary when they encounter a word that is unknown to them. I don't know if it's just students, teachers too. We don't know a word, we tend to go look it up. That's something we prefer to do. So it's likely that that's what you're going to do if you encounter a word you don't know. The other definition is slightly different. It's having a natural ability for something. It's like a talent, okay, if you're preferring to do something, but because you're good at it, or you have the natural skills or ability for it. Let's look at an example. We can say that some children are musically inclined. That means they just really take to music. Some of them, they find music, learning different instruments easy to learn. And so we can say they are musically inclined. It means they have the natural ability for it. Okay, so you understand that difference? In the first definition with the dictionaries, you don't have to have the natural ability to look it up. It's just your preference. It's just something you're likely to do. But here, it's having a natural ability. It's a skill, skill that you're easy for you to develop. The noun form is inclination. So you can use it in either definition. So you can say students have an inclination to use a dictionary, or you can say that some students have a natural inclination for music. We have a verb form, incline, and we have a noun form, incline as well. Our synonyms are tending, are apt, and these might be new to you, but hopefully now you learned the apt. It's this is what you're likely to do. Okay? You might have heard the term aptitude. When you say, oh, that student has natural academic aptitude. It's like they naturally like school and studying, and so this is the adjective form of that, apt. Okay, if you got this one incorrect on your reassessment, be sure to write an original sentence on a separate card about yourself using inclined as a noun, and give an illustration. Oh, I should point out before leaving that this incline, how is it different from this one? This incline refers to like a downhill, and that refers to like if there's a ball on a hill, it's likely to go downhill because of gravity. We can call that slope an incline. So I just want to make sure that's clear. That's how it's different from this one, which is the actual act or the thing that you are inclined to do. Okay, happy studying.